Blue Hawaiian cocktail drink is modified form of Blue Hawaii. It is a popular drink with sky effect due to blue curacao syrup. It is a summer refreshing and energetic drink and famous for its tangy taste. To prepare Blue Hawaiian, you need 225 grams pineapple slices, 350 milliliters pineapple juice, 3 tablespoon lemon juice, 3 tablespoon blue curacao syrup, 175 milliliters coconut milk, 3 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup ice cube or as per need. Add pineapple slices in blender. Then add coconut milk and sugar. Now add lemon and pineapple juice. Now add blue curacao syrup and ice cubes. Blend the mixture well for 2 minutes to make a smoothie Blue Hawaiian cocktail drink. Now you can enjoy the fantastic and unforgettable taste of Blue Hawaiian.